Why buy when you can bake biscuits? They are crispier and more chocolatey than market hide and seek. Eggless, super thin and with that signature pattern, let's make them at home. In a bowl, mix 1/3 cup melted ghee and half cup powdered sugar till smooth. Add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract and mix again. Next, sift in 1 cup wheat flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Bring it all together. Now gradually add 2 tablespoons hot milk in it. Add some chocolate chips in it. Gently fold it into the dough. Make a soft dough. Don't knead too hard. Gentle mixing keeps biscuits crisp. Our dough is ready. Refrigerate it for 15 minutes. After that, roll the dough between 2 parchment paper. First, cut into neat squares or rectangles. Now we make the lines on the top for that classic hide and seek finish. You can use a skewer or toothpick or cake pop stick for that. If you make the lines first and then cut, you will end up trimming extra edges to make them look neat, so always cut first and pattern later. Finally, sprinkle some chocolate chips and slightly press it in the dough. Here is a smart tip: don't lift the biscuits after cutting. Just place the parchment paper as it is on your baking tray and bake. This way, the biscuits keep their perfect shape without breaking or stretching. Bake the biscuits at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 13 minutes on preheated convection mode in microwave. When the biscuits are still warm, don't lift them, just gently run a knife along the cut marks to separate them cleanly. Then let it cool completely. They turn extra crisp as they cool down. And here they are, eggless, crunchy, homemade hide and seek biscuits. Lighter, fresher and more chocolatey than the packet ones. Try it and you will not regret.